That last one's a bit sinister there. Hello, welcome to another microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. Today we are going to learn to create a little thing I'm calling sound emojis on our microbit. So I've got a different emoji and sound for each of the inputs. So I've got A, B, A plus B, and I've got the touch logo at the top. But you could have different emojis and sounds. I have just picked a selection of them. But let's go and get coding. So for our sound emoji, it's really up to you what emojis and sounds you use, but I'm going to show you the general layout of the blocks, which blocks to use, and then you can make changes and make it your own. So I'm going to get rid of on start and forever. In here, I'm going to find buttons. So I'm going to duplicate here. And so I'll have a button A, button B, button A plus B. Then I'm going to go into basic and I'm going to find a show icon, show icon, show icon, and make these, let's go for a sad, a happy, and let's have maybe a musical note. And in fact, I'm going to add one more. I'm going to have on logo pressed. And I'm going to duplicate this again. And I'm going to have maybe an angry one. So now I've got an emoji in each of these. So when I press the buttons, the emojis appear. So there we are, like that. Okay, so now I need some sounds appearing. So we go into the music section, and I'm going to use two different bits today. First, I'm going to use this play giggle until done. Let's put the giggle one on under the smiley face, and let's see if it works. Okay, that sounds good. Let's duplicate it, and I'm going to change the sound from giggle. Let's make it sad. Yeah, that sounds good. Then I'm going to have on A plus B, let's have it play a tune this time, a little sound. So this is a melody. So I'm going to make it play a melody I quite like, which is the Entertainer. So the Entertainer is a tune that I play on the piano. Okay, and then finally I'm going to find on logo pressed, and I'm going to play melody da 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 dum. Okay, because it's an angry one. So let's try this one. So there's your sound emoji. You can create any sounds, combinations of sounds and emojis you like. And enjoy creating this project, and I hope to see you in another video very soon.